Yay, magic! Apparently it's working, yay! Okay, so if we want to create malware, basically we have to do something, right? We have to make something amazing, I guess. I have no idea where to start. So our goal is to get quote-unquote malware onto a USB drive. I'm sorry you had to hear that. I've like a second keyboard in my setup, actually. Okay. Oh wait, there's someone viewing it. Who is this? I'm confused. Apparently someone actually likes this. I'll be shocked. Who be there? I demand you talk about this in the chat, unless I'm talking to myself. Maybe that's a thing. So, we need to create malware, right? So, obviously we're gonna need to go like, directories dot, oh wait, that's right, we need using system.io. So then we can access all the files. Directory.exists. Now I check if directory exists. C drive. Actually, if we put this in if statement, so if directory exists is equal to true, and then we put our amazing bracket things, then we need to go, well, if we have a look at my Windows computer, we've got inside the C drive, we've got all this. You'll probably put them to the program files, maybe. I'm just going to delete system32, that's going to be great. So if we copy it to probably just Windows, maybe. We'll see if that works. File.copy. And then we have our ats that doesn't recognize these backslashes as an escape. File.copy. So we will have our, and then we'll have, okay, so our destination is the second one, so and our destination is C drive / Windows. Now, what we should do is that we should check if it even works. So if we get, also I'm just going to show you how to create the window something, how to create a file. So using string writer, because I'm just bored, equals new. And then we have our directory for the string writer for where we're going to be writing it to. So that's going to be Let's go C drive. Let's put it on my desktop. That's not what it is. Oh, that's right, I can just do this, right? Yes. Users, because I've got two different computers, so it gets really confusing. Because one's my full name, one's only the start of the name, so users, mixture desktop. There we go. A.text, why not? So we copy the file here, which we can just highlight because that makes a lot of sense. And then shove it here. Yay. And if it crashes, then we know why. Yep. Never mind. Why didn't you create it? Fine then. If file.exists, I have to make this way more complex than it needed it to be, obviously, because I need to flex that programming knowledge. C drive backslash users backslash image backslash desktop backslash a.text is equal to false. Now if it equals true, if it exists, then it's going to do that. Now we just shove an else saying it didn't copy. Right line. Okay, that's pretty okay. So apparently Windows... Okay, that's good to know. You can't copy to the Windows drive like at all, apparently. Let's just go to the users. Let's see if that works. Why not? Am I not able to type? Because I'll just break it, won't it? Let's try that. Let's see if that works. Now it's been denied. Okay. That's a small problem. A very small problem. No. Let me get a USB. How are you, Josh? This was a different program I was working on my old computer with a similar idea. So can I just copy it to the E drive? Is that possible? This is an E drive. So I need to copy it to another file, apparently. Okay. That works. So I can copy directly to an E drive. Can we copy to my D drive? That's my question. If directory exists, D drive / equals true, then I copy that to the D drive. We'll see if it blocks it because it's a local disk. No. There it is. Okay. So if it's a main system, then you can't add files to it, but without permission. Cool. D drive / So if this equals true, if directory exists D drive, then we need to get our. So it needs to spread, and how do you spread it? So you have a USB, right? So it has to be built off the USB. So then it needs to copy itself. So we need to have. Although I don't know if you copy something, will it not allow me to copy it since it's running? The program has to copy itself, and then true. So I'm curious, if we get so if we make, is it possible to have like an exception? So I have an exception to okay. Um um what's catch? Oh no. Okay, here we go. down the rabbit hole. Someone who doesn't know what they're doing. Um, um, none of this makes sense at all. It's great. So you try to run this statement, you can't. Okay, then what is a try statement? I probably should specify that's in C#, or otherwise they're going to get a bunch of Java. Okay, so the exception will be, what was it again? Unauthorized access exception. Oh my gosh, can I not spell unauthor? Perfect, okay. So if I try that, this is where the program's going to copy itself, and if it gets that, then what's throw now? Can somebody please explain this to me? I literally apparently only has one viewer, like, please somebody, I need somebody. Um, mm, might just end the stream. If you watch this, then I don't know why you watched it, but that's pretty cool. I'll try and finish this, I guess.